Okay, how's it going, guys? We're out here at the Mangrove at what is it? Mangrove Propagation and Information Center. Is this Bued? Bued, Alaminos City. Hello. Well, anyways, she's signing us in, and I guess we're just gonna walk around this place, see what it's all about, and then we'll catch up here in a few. Okay, so we had to pay a 10 peso admission fee to enter this mangrove park. So we are now entering. What's back here? We have no idea.
There's a crocodile here.
Yeah, maybe crocodiles, some alligators, a couple sharks, some piranhas. There you go. That'd be cool. Some piranhas down in the water. We've seen pictures of people out here, and I think I've seen a couple like small video clips, but never been out here.
They can go to.
Yeah, you can.
That's the one I'm telling you that road over there. That's the one that they're building in.
Oh, okay. So that's the road that they're building from Lucap Wharf
Yeah,
to bridge Lucap Wharf to what? Here? To well, Lucap Wharf to the 100 Islands. Well, yeah, those are all the 100 Islands out there, right? Okay, and then you can take your boat out to the 100 Islands from here. Not just Lucap Wharf, but you can come out to the Mangrove and catch your boat to do your 100 Island excursion. So, yeah, this is kind of cool. So is this like one big circle, I wonder? Will it bring you out in a different location, or are we going to be turning around and coming back this way?
You have to turn around, I think.
I don't know.
I don't know. You're from Bued.
Yeah, we've been here for, well, she moved up here in 2018. I was still back in the States. I didn't get over here till 2020. So basically she's been here about almost 8 years. I've been here almost 6 years. We've been here since 2018. I was just back in the States 2 of those years, between 18 and 20. Anyways, what I was trying to say is that we've been here quite a long time, and we've never been out here. She's always bugged me about it, and I've always said, yeah, we'll go. Sure, yeah, we'll go one of these days. Well, here we are. This is one of those days. We decided to come out. The main reason why we came out here, actually, is so we can do a walking workout back to the house, because it's about 4 to 4.5 kilometers to go from here to our house. So that was kind of the reason why we came out here, because we wanted a nice decent walk, and that's what we're gonna do after we're done here. We're gonna walk home. Okay, let's pick this little thing up here when we get further in. Oops, might help if I take off the cap. There we go. How many times have I done that? Wow, this is pretty cool back here. The breeze feels so nice coming in off the ocean. Lake Eon Gulf. Look at all this, man. Hey, babe. Check out that sexy mama.
Those are the big typhoon.
I was gonna say, it looks like a typhoon ripped through here, huh?
That is the one thing.
Is this all flattened from the last 2 typhoons we had? Probably the Iwan? No. Ooh, what the?
Uwan and Umong.
Not Emong, but Ewong.
Uwan.
Uwan. No. The first one.
Imong.
Emong. That was the powerful one. And we got 2 little creepy kids coming up behind us. Ah, this is pretty nice, huh? Look at that. See, a few years ago I would have wanted to walk out there, but yeah. Pretty cool. Alright, well, we'll pick back up when the scenery changes. Okay, as I promised, we'll pick back up when the scenery changes. And the scenery has changed. We just got down to the end of that long, kind of narrow strip of concrete path that we were just on. And now we're kind of dipping down into another area of beautiful, what do we call these?
Bougainvilleas.
Bougainvilleas. Just like what's out in front of our house. Ooh, man, it smells nice. So, probably not a lot to see back here, but I'll show it to you anyways. So, it looks as though we have a little inlet here, and who knows where this goes. I'm sure it's a river of some sort that goes way back. I'd have to look at the aerial view of this area, like a Google Maps or something, and could try to see where these streams lead to. So I guess this is it. This is the dead end, right? Not really a whole lot to it. It's very nice. It's peaceful and it's breezy. And when you get down into this little area here, these bougainvilleas smell really, really nice. I'm glad my allergies aren't attacking me right now, or I'd be living in misery. So, at any rate, looks nice. Okay. Whoop, hold on, she's calling. What's that? Okay. I don't know what's back here. We'll find out. Hold on. Okay, we're gonna continue back through here. Not really sure. Oh wow, there's a little aerial or a little watchtower type thing. I wonder if you can go up there. I'm sure you can. Take pictures, whatever. I guess we'll find out. Let's snoop around here. I'll wait for her. Okay. We're gonna take this hill. Up we go. And we're talking, these are some steep steps. But that's okay. We're in good shape nowadays, right? Have we reached the top? No, we have not. The first tier. All right, let's do another one. Oh, ooh, hi, ha. I think we have reached the top. Wow. And she's gone. Okay, well, oh, there she is. Let me give people a quick walk around the tower, and then I'll be right back, and this is a quick walk around the top of the tower. See, look at that. I'm not even out of breath. Well, not really. Okay. Show you a quick view of the surroundings. And out there, the water out there, I'm guessing it would be, well, 100 islands. Lingian Gulf, Lukap Wharf, whatever, all that good stuff. Yep. Okay, the good kuya back there said this is the exit. And it kind of does look like an exit. It spits you back out into the sunshine after taking that nice little stroll through the mangrove shaded area back there. It's pretty nice. So this is it. This is the exit point. Huh? Oh, why? What do you want to go back the way we just came in?
You cannot go out there.
Pardon me?
This is the exit. You cannot go in anymore.
So do you want to go back
Yeah,
the way we came in?
Yeah, you can go.
Yeah, let's do that. All right, well, I'll cut this video right about here then. This is the exit point, but we're going to kind of go back the way we came in.
Too early to go and walk.
And it's too early to go and walk right now, so, or walk home, that is, because if we go out right now, that's in, we start our walk home, and we're not ready to go home quite yet. So let's double the pleasure here. Do a ditto of what we just, yeah, do a walk back through of the park. So you've seen it all, folks, so we won't bore you to tears with any more. So that's it. You just saw the Mangrove Park here in Bued. I believe this is Bued still. Alaminos City. And thanks for joining us. Appreciate it. We'll maybe make some more video as we're walking back to the house, kind of show you what this part of town looks like. So stay tuned, and in the meantime, thanks again, and we'll talk to you soon. Let's take one last peek up the path. Yep, that's going towards the entrance, and that's where we're going right now. So talk to you later, guys. All right, bye.